Here's a bonus tip. Might help the shorter people out there, Mark. Sometimes you've got a bike that's quite heavy. So if you look at my my big BMW GSA, when that's fully loaded for tour with 30 litres of fuel, all my kit for 10-11 days, it's a heavy bike. And trying to get a fit stand and get to rise is difficult. Best way of doing it is turn the bars to the right and just ease it up. It's dead easy to do that way. So even my big GSA, just turn the bars to the right, and then on this bike here, just use my bum weight to push it over. On the GS, just nudge it over across from my knee. Bike comes up right. So if you've got a big heavy bike, it's a really good way of doing it.